Hey, freshmen. I wanted to show you for this current assignment, you need to find articles and then annotate them as a counter argument. So I wanted to show you some of the things you should be looking for when you're getting the article into Kami to annotate. And so let's say that, for instance, I'm doing this article isn't for your assignment, but let's say that I'm interested in this: students who take music classes also do better academically. So what you're looking for is for when you're searching on, news sites like this is Discover Magazine. You're looking for this printer button so you could like print the article, but we're not actually going to print it. So when it does that, it brings up my printer window, and then I can select Save as a PDF. And then I click print, and it'll ask me to save it, so I can save it. And then it'll save it on your Chromebook, and you can open it up. And usually what will happen is it'll open up in one of your browser windows. It saves it in your Google Drive folder. But then what I can do is I can either open it from Google Drive, or I can click this Open from Computer, and it'll open this little, and I can find it right there, and I can click Open, and it'll open it up. But let's say that you find an article. This one's called "Can Reading Make You Smarter?" And you look over here, and there isn't one of those print buttons, right? So the other thing you could do is you can just highlight the text, and if you want the picture too, you can highlight the picture. I don't like it when it does these little things on the side, so I probably would just go to here and then come back and get the rest of this, because then I could highlight this. And then you want to do like a Control C, and you want to open like a Google Doc and do Control V. So if I go like this and I do Control C, then I can go in here and I can open a new Google Doc, create, and then I can paste. And now I have the article in a Google Doc. It doesn't look super pretty, but it's totally functional. And then you could just go to Kami and you could open from Google Drive, and you would find the document and click select, and it would open it up. So that's kind of the two things that you're looking for when you're trying to find this counter argument article for your assignment, and getting it into Kami so that you can then annotate it and get it ready to upload into Schoology.